In this problem, we have to find the Laplace transform of t into cos t. So, to solve this problem, we have by the definition of Laplace transform, here we have L of f of t is equal to capital F of s. When we take t to the power of n with this function f of t, then it becomes minus 1 to the power of n d power of n by d s to the power of n into f of s. Means here we will differentiate the function f of s with respect to s number of times. N takes the values 1, 2, 3 so on. If we have n is equal to 1, then we will differentiate one time. If n is equal to 2, here we have to differentiate 2 times. Similarly, n is equal to 3 means 3 times so on. So first we will write the given function f of t is equal to t cos t. Let f of t is equal to t cos t. Here t to the power of 1. N takes the value 1. So L of f of t is equal to f of s. So we have to find this value f of s. So we are taking L on both the sides. Laplace transform operator L on both the sides. L of f of t is equal to, this becomes minus 1 to the power of, first we will find the Laplace transform of cos t. Here I am not writing this t to the power of 1. First I am taking f of t is equal to cos t. So taking L on both the side, L of f of t is cos t means here we write s by s square plus a square. So here the coefficient of t is 1. So a square means it becomes 1 square. This is s by s square plus 1 ones are 1. So this is our f of t. Now we have to take L of t to the power of n f of t. So we will write L of t to the power of 1. In the question we have t to the power of 1. F of t is equal to, we have t cos t. This is our t cos t value. So we will write L of t cos t. Now we will apply this formula. L of t to the power of 1 cos t is equal to minus 1 to the power of n is 1 d by ds. D by ds of f of s. So this value is our f of s. So here we will write s by s square plus 1. Now we have to differentiate this function with respect to s. So in differentiation we have one formula when y is equal to u by v. When we have the function y is equal to u by v, we will differentiate with respect to x. So it becomes dy by dx is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx whole divided by v square. We have to apply this formula. So in the numerator we have s. S means u is equal to s. Here I am writing u is equal to s and v is equal to s square plus 1 denominator. So in place of this x we are writing s, differentiating with respect to s. Here we will write s. So our left hand side is L of t to the power of 1 cos t is equal to v. V is s square plus 1. Here minus 1 to the power of 1 means it is minus of. So before this bracket we are putting negative sign, minus of s square plus 1 into du by dx means du is s. So it is ds by ds minus u. U means we are putting s as it is. D by ds of v. V is s square plus 1 whole divided by v square means s square plus 1 whole square. So L of t cos t is equal to minus of, this becomes s square plus 1, derivative of s with respect to s is 1, minus, we are keeping this s as it is outside the bracket. Now we are differentiating these two terms separately. It becomes d by ds of s square plus d1 by ds whole divided by s square plus 1 whole square. So L of t cos t is equal to minus of, this is s square plus 1, 1s are s square plus 1, minus, keep s as it is, we have derivative of s square is 2s. 2 into s to the power of 2 minus 1. It is of the form, when the function y is equal to x to the power of n, dy by dx is equal to n into x power of n minus 1. So we have n is equal to 2. So it is 2 into s power of 2 minus 1 and derivative of numerical value is 0 whole divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Now L of t into cos t is equal to minus of, this is s square plus 1 plus into minus minus 2, s power of 2 minus 1 means it is s. S into s becomes 2s square by s square plus 1 whole square. Now 2s square minus 2s square plus 1s square is minus s square. L of t cos t is equal to, minus sign keep as it is. It is 1 minus s square by s square plus 1 whole square. Now when we open the bracket multiplying with negative sign, here we get minus 1, minus into minus plus s square. So this can also be written as L of t to the power of 1, or we can say t cos t. T cos t is equal to s square minus 1 by s square plus 1 whole square.